how to see new posts in Facebook groups. Before I start, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell for more videos. Thanks for your time. This video tutorial is for how to see a new post in Facebook groups. First, open your Facebook account. Click your Facebook app. Next step, click the hamburger menu. Click here and click your groups. Click here. And here are my groups. I'll click it. And now I'm going to show you the posts in the groups, mostly the ones that have been posted in the past few days. And it's rare to see new posts on this day. Like this post 4 days ago, 2 days ago, 1 hour ago, 30 minutes ago. Now I will show you how to see updated posts in groups, new posts. That's all you have to do is click here, settings for more options. Here are the options, and click new posts. Now you can see the new posts in the groups. Like this post just now. And here post 3 minutes, 6 minutes. So now you know. I'll see you in the next videos. Before I leave, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.